in this video, let's add our first Shopify product. So I'll just click here on add product, and I will add the first RAM. So I will paste the name of the product there, and this will be our product title. So that's a computer memory, that's a laptop RAM. And then description, as I said in the description, make sure that you give as much information about the product as possible and separate items using bulleted lists. Like if you want to list the features of a product, don't do it in paragraph format. Just list the features of the product and give a brief explanation of the features if you have products which have features. So write as much as you can about the product. Make sure that your description is very descriptive, and try to think in terms of the buyer. What do they want to know about the product? If you can answer all their questions, the chances of them buying the product is very high. And you can also do a video and add a video for your product. You'll just click and add a video for your product. So for this product, I'm just going to add a very brief description, and don't follow my example because my product description is very small. There, and that's it. Pretty much that's it. For you, this is not what I would recommend for you. Make sure that your description is very detailed and separate items using bulleted lists and headings as well, and add images for how people are using the product. So if you want to add a video, you can just click there and add a video. Okay, so let's add the images. So you can just drag and drop images, and the first image that you drop will act as the product image, the default product image. So this is a crucial RAM. Let me add an image for that. I can just drag and drop an image there, and I can drag and drop a second image. So this will be the default image for this product. So even if I save this at this point, it's going to have everything that we want for the product. So you can see my currency is currently in Kenyan shillings. Based on your settings, your store settings, you can change that. So if you come here under settings, you can change your currency. So here under settings, if you want to change the currency or you want to change the metric system that you're using, just click on general settings under settings, and then you can change all the details here about your store. You can see you can change the unit system that you want to use. You can change the store currency. Just change the currency to what you want. For me, I want to use USD, so I can save that. Okay, so at this point, I can try and save this just to see the current information that you already have about the product that you're creating. So you can see the product has been created, and we haven't added some things here yet. So the price, you can change the price. This is an 8 GB RAM. This could probably be like $50. So I can put there $50. And then charge taxes on this product. You can charge taxes depending on where you are, depending on the rules, and depending on the taxation laws of where your business is registered. You can charge taxes. However, for me, I'm going to disable this. So remember that you can also change the tax. You can also change the taxes here under settings. If you come back to settings and you look under this taxes, you can change the taxes. Okay. So you can charge taxes based on regions. So you can edit the taxes for this. You can see for me, it's 16%. And then for the rest of the world, you can also change the taxes depending on this. So in most cases, you're probably not going to charge taxes unless you're selling these items to people in your country and you know the taxation laws in your own country. So based on your VAT, make sure you set this up. So for me, I'm not going to charge taxes. I'm going to disable this. So you know where you can change the tax. You can change the tax rate. You know where you can change the tax rate. Just go into settings and then taxes. And then inventory, you can give this a SKU so that you can know exactly which product you're dealing with. So I can call it this. Let me just copy that. And then this SKU. This will just help you to know, the SKU will just help you know which product you're dealing with. So if somebody orders and you see the SKU, you can automatically know the product you're working with. So that was 8 GB. So just something like that will help you know. And if you have the barcode or any of these numbers, okay, just add them here. Most product manufacturers usually have this, and if you know what they are, just paste them in there so that it can help you track the product using a barcode. And then inventory. Yes, I want Shopify to track the inventory for this product. And this will mean that if the product is getting low in quantity, Shopify is going to change the color of the product listing, and I would be able to see that the product quantity is getting low and I need to restock. Okay, so make sure you add the quantity that you currently have. Maybe you only have 10 of the items, and you can also add. So this is something that you'll see here. If you have products that are coming in, you can put them here under transfers. So allow customers when it's out of stock. So you can allow customers to purchase the product when it's out of stock. And this is okay if you know that when you order for a reshipment, it's going to take a short time for you to get the product. If the product is going to take long for you to get it, then just leave this unchecked. Okay, so yes, this is a physical product. If you're selling a downloadable product, then you can uncheck this. Okay, if it is a downloadable product, then you can just leave this unchecked, so customers won't have to enter the shipping address, because you will probably be sending the item to them via email. So this is a physical product, yes, used to calculate shipping rates at checkout. So for this, this is probably like 50 grams. So let me just put it at 100 grams. And then customs information. And then the customs information, you need to add the product origin, location. So if you know it's originating from where you are, like for me, I can just put, let's say I already have the product with me and I want it to come from Kenya, I will just add that there. So if your product has the harmonized system, if your country has the harmonized system code, the 6-digit code, you can add that there. But if you don't have it, just ignore this. In fact, even this you can ignore as well. Okay, this customs information, you can ignore both of this. If you're just selling things in your local area, then you don't have to enter this information. You can ignore this. So fulfillment service, as of now, we only have Shopify. If the product that you're adding has a variant, then you can add the variant here, and you're going to see how to do this at some point. Right now, let's just create this product. And then also you need to edit the SEO. So the page title, you can change the page title. So here, just think in terms of the customer. What do you think they're going to be searching for on Google? Like, for me, someone looking for a DDR4 laptop RAM is probably going to look for 8 GB DDR4 laptop RAM. And that's what I can put here on the title. You can see it already somewhere in the title. So I can add here crucial 8 GB DDR4 laptop RAM, and then all these other details won't matter that much. But this is basically you thinking in terms of the customer. What will they be searching for? And add a description here as well. Description that will invite them to click the link. Like, here's a 8 GB RAM. Here's a 8 GB RAM for your laptop. Click here to find out more details about this RAM, to see if it is compatible with your system. Something like that will make them click on the link. Okay. And also on the link, the URL, you want to make sure that the URL that you're adding here is user friendly. Okay, like you can see, this is a very long link, so I can just trim it down. To something that is easy to recognize. Something that will not be cut out on Google. And since this product was already saved and published, So you remember I did save the product. So with that in mind, make sure you check this so that if this link has been shared, then it will redirect to the new link that you're creating for the product. And then if you want to delete your product, any product, just go under products, all product, and then click on that product, and you can click here to delete the product. In this case, of course, we're creating a new product, and you can click on save. So as I said in the last video, online store, you can choose the product availability on which sales channels you want the product to be shown, whether you want it to be shown on the online store, Facebook, and your website. All that you can choose here. And I told you something about this in the last video. And then the product organization, product type, I don't really have to add that. And then the vendor, and then collections. We are going to create collections later on, and you're going to see how you can automatically add products to a collection, and how you can also manually add products to a collection, and how you can add those collections to your menu, your main menu. You're going to look at that later on. And here I want to add tags, and these tags are going to help me automatically group different products in different collections. So here under tags, I can write DDR4 RAM, and then you can add more if you want to, like this is 8 GB RAM. So just add as many as you want to, and you can use this to automatically create collections for your products. So just once you do this, you can press enter, or if you want to add another, you just press comma, and it will add it to your tags. So that's pretty much it for this product. And what I can do now is I can save the changes. So if I want to change the primary product image, I can just drag this there. Okay, but I prefer this other one. So you can add as many images as you want to. These will be the product images, and here under description you can also add images for the products. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this video. So once you make all the changes, just scroll down and click on save. Okay, so that's it. I will see you in the next video.